Making money on Payhip involves selling digital products or services directly to your audience. Here's how you can do it. Create a Payhip account. Sign up for a Payhip account at Payhip's website. Set up your store by adding details such as your business name, payment methods, and bank account information for payouts. Add your products. Payhip allows you to sell digital products like ebooks, courses, software, music, photos, and templates. Upload your product files and set a price. You can also offer discounts or run promotions to attract more customers. Promote your products. Share your products on social media platforms, blogs, or email newsletters to reach a larger audience. You can use Payhip's built-in affiliate marketing feature to let others promote your products in exchange for a commission. Leverage Payhip's marketing tools. Payhip provides tools for creating discount codes, offering special deals, and providing promotional links. Use the integrated email marketing feature to stay in touch with your customers, announce new products, and drive repeat sales. Payment processing. Payhip supports payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe, which will automatically transfer the earnings to your bank account after each sale.